autism, and parental age, a possible connection. Autism is a complex neurodevelopmental condition. It affects how people communicate and interact with the world. Scientists are always searching for factors that contribute to autism. One area of interest is the age of parents when a child is conceived. Over the past few decades, people have been having children later in life. This trend has led researchers to ask, could there be a connection between the age of parents and the likelihood of having a child with autism? Shifting sands. Why parenthood is happening later. Several factors have contributed to the rise in parental age. Improved career opportunities for women have allowed them to focus on their professional lives before starting families. Advances in reproductive technology, such as in vitro fertilization, have made it possible for couples to delay parenthood. Additionally, societal shifts have led to a greater acceptance of diverse family structures and timelines. But this trend of delayed parenthood raises important questions. Could waiting longer to have children have unintended consequences for the health of those children, particularly when it comes to autism? The aging code genes and the passage of time. To understand the potential link between parental age and autism, it's essential to delve into the world of genetics. Our genes, the blueprints for our bodies, are carried in our reproductive cells, sperm in men and eggs in women. As we age, these cells are constantly dividing and replicating. Over time, errors can creep into the copying process, leading to small changes in the genetic code known as mutations. Most mutations are harmless, but some can have significant impacts on development, potentially increasing the risk of conditions like autism. These age-related genetic changes are often referred to as de novo mutations, meaning they are new and not inherited from either parent. They occur spontaneously in the sperm or egg cells. While de novo mutations can happen at any age, the likelihood of these mutations increases as parents get older. This is particularly relevant for fathers, as sperm cells undergo many more divisions throughout a man's life compared to a woman's eggs. Dad's age. A closer look at the data. Numerous studies have explored the relationship between paternal age and autism. The findings consistently suggest that older fathers are at a slightly higher risk of having a child with autism. While the increase in risk is relatively small, it becomes more pronounced with advancing paternal age. For example, some studies have shown that fathers over 40 have a slightly higher risk of having a child with autism compared to fathers under 30. Importantly, it's crucial to remember that correlation does not equal causation. While these studies highlight an association, they don't definitively prove that older paternal age directly causes autism. Mom's age and autism, exploring the biological clock. While much of the research has focused on paternal age, maternal age is also a factor to consider. Unlike men who produce sperm throughout their lives, women are born with a finite number of eggs. As women age, the quality and quantity of their eggs decline. This decline can contribute to fertility issues and potentially increase the risk of certain chromosomal abnormalities in offspring. However, the link between maternal age and autism is less clear-cut than with paternal age. Some studies have found a slight increase in autism risk with advanced maternal age, particularly after age 40. However, other studies have shown no association or even a slightly decreased risk. The reasons for these inconsistencies are complex and likely involve a combination of genetic and environmental factors. What the studies say. Parental age and autism risk. The research on parental age and autism is complex and ongoing. While there is no single gene or factor that causes autism, studies suggest that parental age, particularly paternal age, plays a role. However, it's essential to emphasize that the vast majority of children born to older parents do not have autism. The increase in risk associated with advanced parental age is relatively small. Other factors, such as family history of autism, genetic predispositions, and environmental influences, likely play a more significant role in the development of autism. Planning a family. Age as a factor. For prospective parents, the decision of when to start a family is deeply personal. While age is a factor to consider, it should not be the sole determining factor. Understanding the potential risks associated with advanced parental age can help individuals and couples make informed decisions about family planning. If you have concerns about age-related risks, talking to a healthcare provider or a genetic counselor can provide personalized guidance. Prenatal care is essential for all expectant parents, regardless of age. Regular checkups, screenings, and discussions about health history can help identify and manage potential risks during pregnancy. Love knows no age, supporting all children. Ultimately, the most important thing for children is to be raised in a loving and supportive environment. Autism, like any other human variation, deserves acceptance and understanding. Regardless of the age of their parents, children with autism can thrive with the right support, therapies, and access to resources that meet their unique needs. By fostering a society that embraces neurodiversity and celebrates the strengths of all individuals, we can create a more inclusive and compassionate world for people with autism and their families. For more valuable insights and resources on autism, don't forget to subscribe to U2 Autism. We'd love to hear from you. Share your stories, ideas, and advice with us to help create a stronger, more supportive community. Together, we can make a real difference in the lives of those affected by autism.